Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate an employee card for direct deposit, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your card to receive payroll payments directly from your employer. Step 1. Ensure your employee card is activated by calling the activation phone number on the card sticker or following the instructions provided by your card issuer. Step 2. Once your card is activated, locate your routing number and account number, which are required for setting up direct deposit. Step 3. Log in to your employee card account by visiting the card issuer's website or opening their mobile app. Step 4. Navigate to the direct deposit, account details, or routing information section to view your routing number and account number. Step 5. Write down or take a screenshot of your routing number and account number for reference. Step 6. Contact your employer's payroll department or human resources to request a direct deposit enrollment form. Step 7. Fill out the direct deposit form with your employee card routing number, account number, and personal information. Step 8. Submit the completed form to your employer according to their instructions, which may involve submitting it in person, via email, or through an online portal. Step 9. Wait for confirmation from your employer that your direct deposit has been successfully set up. Step 10. Monitor your employee card account to ensure your first payroll direct deposit is received as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.